y'all, come look at this.
Hello guys, I am back after 6 months. Since I have been gone, half the community has quit. So brilliant. Anyways, that for next video, but today we have some advanced ideas that could be added due to Curly Fry. I just pray to God that Curly Fry sees this video, as these ideas can hopefully revive the game. I would like to warn you that these concepts will be terribly displayed, but hopefully enough to understand what I'm doing. Stack configuration block. Curly Fry already has a very similar idea in his concept game, but I'm expanding on it. It will change that stats of the player, or Piggy who has touched it. For example, it can change their speed, gravity, size, vision, and much more. This opens up so many opportunities. For example, if you wanted a chase scene where the Piggy or player temporarily speeds up, this block lets you. Or if you wanted to make a moon map and wanted the players to jump higher, you can do that with this. This single block can lead to a wide range of new types of maps and can potentially improve old ones. The tools are already there for Curly Fry, so this shouldn't hard to add. Now on to idea 2. Custom NPC Maker 2. We already have the old custom NPC Maker where you can implement your own NPCs using Roblox catalog items. The second option is you can pretty much make your own NPC that looks more like a Piggy character. It would work like Tennis Fleas, a PRP custom skin maker. We'd be able to use these skins as friendly or enemy NPCs, use them in cutscenes, and make them bots for our maps. This allows people to add custom characters to their stories via build mode, and not having to use Roblox Studio. This will make stories more intriguing instead of having the same characters over and over again. Idea 3. Cutscene Maker Remake. The current cutscene creator is seriously outdated and can really use a makeover. People normally just use Studio for cutscenes now rather than the cutscene maker. We need more actors, first off. This ties on to custom NPCs, where we should be allowed to use both types of custom NPC in our cutscenes, and more main game characters. We also need an advanced cutscene section where we animate our very own cutscenes. And for people who don't know how to animate, can use the final idea in this video. We could also do a not having to do the weird non thing anymore and just rename our characters. Adding fonts to the dialogue isn't a bad idea either. Cutscenes are a way for builders to express the story, and really are the best way to expand it. Having a better cutscene maker, which is not buggy, can really help us do that. Idea 4. UI. I was shocked to see that Curly Fry already had this feature on his concept game, as I thought it was really hard, so instead I'm expanding on it. He has a bunch of separate blocks to it, like a scroller, frame, and more. But what if you could fit all of this into one block? Instead of adding tons of new blocks, you would only need 2, UI block and button maker block. UI block, when active, displays UI on the screen. This can be edited by the player in the UI editor menu, where you're able to add all sorts of UI, scrollers, frames, banners, etc. This is more efficient than just having them as separate blocks. You could add buttons using the button maker block. You can give it name and its very own function just by linking to a system like a teleporter. With this, people can use the player stat configuration block I talked about earlier to make a sprint button, or a teleport menu to make different areas in your map easier to get to. Once you're finished, the button link it up to the UI block you want and it will become an option to add. This opens up many doors for advanced maps and unlocks a whole new learning experience. It would be a huge feature and bring people back due to scale of it and how much it can change build mode. The catalog. This will really help new builders out, as it can everything catalog. I know we already have the decal catalog, but this is more of an everything catalog. This links back to a lot of the stuff I have talked about in this video, like animations, UI, and custom NPCs. It is people can save their animations, UI layouts, and custom NPCs and publish them for other players to use. The owner can charge for them with Piggy tokens, build points, or any other currency you can make up. I'm not sure how easy or realistic this idea is, but I think it is a good way to show off creativity of everyone in the community. It's obviously the owner's choice whether they want to publish it or not. This can hopefully get rid or at least improve the slop maps, like Piggy says, infection only and all the other copy and pasted maps. This will allow you to see your work in other people's creations. That's all the ideas I have for now, and if Curly Fry does not see this, I generally might cry, as I took a while making this video and thinking of the ideas. Please subscribe so Curly Fry can see this. and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.